So we're on a roof that we did 14 years ago. We're just inspecting it out here in Avon Lake just to make sure they didn't have any wind pick up any of the shingles. Triple Peaks Roofing did this roof. Gutters, we put leaf for leaf on 14 years ago. So far everything has been looking good. There's really no wind uplift. I think this was done after the roof. We do need to get some new sealant on here. Our chimney flashing after 14 years. You can see the sealant is still very good. Everything's nice and sealed tight. Nothing wrong with our valleys right here. Looks like he had a little bit of spalding, or maybe something hit his brick, knocked this off. Oh, there it is. So he's got some spalding right here on his chimney. Really nothing. Everything seems to be pretty sealed on the roof. So he didn't have any wind uplift. This valley made it out pretty good. They did have a huge tree that came down, and that's really what sparked this to come out and look at this, because it damaged his front, a little bit of the siding, definitely got his shutter. Looks like it might have dented a little bit in the gutters here, but with the leaf relief on it, that really tightens up the gutters and probably kept it from becoming really damaged. But this is a Triple Peaks roof that we did 14 years ago, still in good shape. Definitely needs a little cleaning, a soft brush, you know, somebody to take off some of this moss that's grown up here. This is the one thing I don't like about any type of guards on a house. You're always going to have that stuff that gets trapped right there at the valley areas. I've never changed my mind on how I felt about that. So we'll take this off for him too. Just let it fall right down. So when it comes to having roofs done, this is why you want somebody that's been consistent and make sure that roofs are nailed correctly. That way when you get 100-mile-an-hour winds, you're really not going to have a big worry when you have a 130-mile-an-hour wind warranty on the shingles.